Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about drill bit design. See, this is the component. So let's start now. So I've taken a new Solidworks part file, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one circle, this is 10 mm, go to features, select extrude boss, select mid plane and length is 120. Now select this face, go to sketch, select this edge. We can select this edge or face and select convert entity. So you can see the circle created. I'll show it in wireframe. See, this is the circle. Come out of the sketch. Now we have to draw one helix curve. So select the helix command, select this face, see, select the sketch, that is circular sketch, and go to helix command. See here, this curve is going to create with the circular sketch. So pitch value is 75 and the number of revolution 1 and start angle is 180 degrees and say OK. See, this is the curve. Now select the swept cut and select this curve. See, here we have to select the circular profile. So circular profile, the path is this helix curve and the diameter is 5.8. Say OK. See here, this is the swept cut created. So I am going to hide these curves. See, this is the feature. Now what we have to do is we have to remove this material till the end. So select this face, go to sketch and select convert entities. See here, we can see this closed loop created. So delete this arc and select this point, drag little bit and try to join the other point. So now it is a complete circle. Go to features, select extruded cut. So you can select through all and say OK. See here, this is smooth cutout created. Now we have to create circular pattern. So select the circular pattern command and we have to select this face or simply we can unhide the features. Now we can select this temporary axis. See here, there is a temporary axis here. So wherever there is a circular feature, a temporary axis creates. So we can use this temporary axis for circular pattern. So select the circular pattern and select this axis. Now we have to add this swept cut and this cutout, and the number of instances 2, and say OK. I am going to hide the curves. See here. Now we have to remove material at this location. So select the top plane, go to sketch and keep it in wireframe for better visibility. See here. And draw one center line from this origin. Either we can connect to this point. Now draw one inclined line from the end of this center line. Select mirror entities, select this line and mirror about this center line. This other line is for reference, so convert into construction line. So this is the construction line. Now we have to assign angle between these two lines. So this is 120. So mostly this angle will be 120 for drill bits, and so this is the closed loop, and we can assign value. So this is 10, this is 15. So it is fully constrained now. Now we have to apply the revolve cut, and we have to select this axis. See here. So it's going to remove the material at this point. So this is the tip of this drill bit. See here. Now we have to remove the sharp edges at this point. So we have to apply the chamfer. So select this edge and select the chamfer command, and this is 2 mm, and say OK. So this is the final component of this drill bit. See here, there is a smooth transition in the cutout and sharp edge at this corner. So this is how we create the standard components in SolidWorks. So this is brief about drill bit design in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.